Hello engineers, Radhe. So engineers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So engineers, welcome also back to our Factory Talk View Studio tutorial. Actually engineers, in last video, I am already discussed about edit tab in Factory Talk View Studio. So engineers, in this video, today I am going to just discussing about view tab. What is view tab in Factory Talk View Studio? Means view tab is just a important tab in Factory Talk View Studio. Without view tab there is no any properties will be enabled, like as many there are many properties of Factory Talk View Studio, like as a status bar, workbook mode, explore window, tools bar, and in the tools bar there are many options. You have to just watch. Next, property panel, then go to the object explorer and other is toolbox, then diagnostic links and edit display, test display, show displays in grayscale, show grid, snap on, grid setting, zoom in, zoom out, and cancel zoom and animation. Currently one by one, let's come and just discussing about one by one point in view tab of properties, view tab properties. So when you have to click on view tab, there are many options like a status bar and many more. Okay, first of all, what is a status bar? This is a status bar, like this is known as a status bar. Where my cursor is going on, it is known as a status bar. When I have to disable a status bar, currently now it is enable. When tick option is show, it means enable. When tick option is go, then it will be disabled. Now you will show the task bar above the setting, the status bar will be not show. When you have to click on status bar, then you have to see this is the status bar will be appear. Let's one more, it will be so it will not show. Now it will be show with blue screen. And now go to the workbook mode. It is the workbook mode. It is a workbook mode. It is workbook mode. When you have to click on workbook mode, then you have to go to the workbook mode. Then when you have to disable, untick this, then workbook mode will be not enable. And now explore window. Explore window is, it is known as explore window. This option is known as explore window. When you have to click on explore window, then explore window will be disappear. When you have to just click on explore window, our explore window will be show. It means explore window is the important tab, yeah, important property, yeah, important setting in Factory Talk View Studio. Next point is just tools bar. What is tools bar? In the tools bar there are many types of tools, like as you have to just above, these are the tools of tools bar, like as one by one just discussing about tools bar. When you have to click on standard, then standard it will be appear, like as a standard. When I have to untick it, then you will see the standard tool bars will be disappear. When you have to click on it, then it will be come back. Now when toolbars standard, and now second is graphics are these. So now I have to just disable this graphics object, it will be disable, it means untick. When you have to just click on it, then it will be appear. It is known as graphics animation, graphics properties of Factory Talk View Studio. Now say third is alignment. Alignment is, it is known as alignment properties of Factory Talk. It will be now disabled. When you have to just click on alignment, then it will be enable, means tick. And now second is property tools bar, states. When you have to click on state, state will be appear. Understand? And now you will go to the view tab and just click on toolbars, and now come to the pattern style, then pattern style will be also enable. And also go to the back style, then back style also, back style properties will be also enable. Then now you have to go to foreground colors. When you have to click on foreground colors, there are many types of foreground colors will be appear on your FactoryTalk View Studio. And last is just background colors. The background colors means the colors which is used in the background, then it will also appear. So one by one I have to just close this tools bar. Like first of all, background colors will be disappear, foreground color will be also disappear, and just go and back style color will be also disappear, and go pattern style will also disappear. Now states will also disappear. So I hope you will be understand about our tools bar. Next is property panel. Property panel is the option where you have to just understand what is the property of panel, what is the property of any object. Like as this is the rectangle means image, this is the image, it is known as image. When you have to click on property panel, there are many types of properties, like properties like this, and connection properties like as from which from from object where you have to just any types of connection will be appear like as any tag. तो मैं मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि आप किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को जब ओपन करते हैं, देन आपके सामने कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट आता है, उसका प्रॉपर्टी आपको दिख जाएगा, लाइक उसके प्रॉपर्टीज एंड जस्ट कनेक्शन के तौर पे दिख जाएगा। ठीक, नाउ गो टू द प्रॉपर्टी। नाउ ऑब्जेक्ट एक्सप्लोरर इज द icon. Object explorer are the setting where you have to just discussing about object, like this image, and just click on polygon, it will be select polygon. It is the object explorer. How many objects are present in the current screen is known as object explorer. Like as go to the test, and there is a shutdown object will be appear. There are many types of object explorer have you to see. Okay. Now second is I have to just close this and just go and toolbox is the toolbox where you have to take any types of tools, like there are many types of tools: text, image, panel, arc. Like as I have to just choose ellipse, and I have to just drag and drop, and I also stretch it. Now I have to just click on polygon, then this is a polygon. Now I have to click on rectangle, and this is a rectangle, and there are many options: rounded rectangle, with push button, momentum button, maintain button, latch button, multi-state button, interlock button, ramp button, numeric and string. There are display, navigation, indicator, gauge and graph, trending, recipe plus, key, user management, advance, alarm, diagnostics, audit, information, and many other types of object means tools will be appear. And now I have to close it. Go to the diagnostic list will be appear. There is any error in the project in the HMI design, there is the diagnostic list will be open. In the service, FactoryTalk View, test demo, RSLink in enterprise computer, CDT is now active. This type of object will be appear. And now you have to just go and click on test display, the edit display, and now it will be in disable now. And test display means what is a test display? Edit display and test display. Okay, so edit display means this is known as edit display and this is known as test display. Means when it is used when it is communication with our PLC, yes or not. One by one screen will be test, means आप समझ रहे हैं, the screen which test one by one from the PLC, it is healthy, yes or not, means it is known as test display, it is known as edit display. Understand? So display in gray scale. So display in gray scale means it shows the display in gray scale. Gray scale like this type of, when you have to click enable show display, it will be display in gray scale. When you have to click on, our display will be in gray scale. When you have to just remove this gray scale, our display in original mode. And show grid, they are show grid is the grid option will be enabled. It is known as grid option will be enabled in our just workbook mode. It is known as workbook mode, understand? And just hide it and just enable it. Just you have to just also watch this show grid option. And now go and snap on. Snap on means any types of snap will be appear. Object snap on, no any snap on, snap on, it means there is a just in the status bar there is a snap on option will be anywhere. See, means it will be just our any snap will be take from it. There is no any snap. What is the use of snap? Currently I have no idea, it will be not working. Grid setting, it is known as grid setting. Grid color will be black, horizontal then 10, vertical 10. You have to just show grid, snap to grid, then now I have to click to show grid aa gaya. Understand what I have to just want to say you. Grid setting like as disable and its color is red. Now I have to click on it and grid setting, now its color will be red, and now I have to click, means grid color will be red, grid color will be red. Understand what I want to say to you? And next option is zoom in. Zoom in is the process of, this is known as zoom in, it is known as zoom out. Zoom in means it will be increase, zoom out it will be decrease, our screen will be decrease, it will be increase, our screen will be increase or decrease by zoom in zoom out process. And zoom in zoom out, cancel zoom. Cancel zoom means it will be cancel zoom, means by default our screen will be open with our HMI size. Understand what I want to say to you? And now animation, when you have to just zoom in, then our cancel zoom will be open in enable. Animation is the just important part of factorytalk view studio, where there are many types of animation will be appear, like a horizontal position, touch, width, vertical slider, horizontal slider, vertical position, horizontal, vertical slider, and width, OLE verb, color, touch, and its also properties will be open. So engineers, in this video today I am just discuss about view tab in factorytalk view studio. So engineer, next video will be common object, which type of object will be in the factorytalk view studio. It is the very important part of factorytalk view studio. So engineers, please do not watch the watch the upcoming video. Understand? Thanks engineers. Radhe Radhe.